Okay, so this is the previous exercise. So the next exercise on creating a hand wheel. So I will show you the final product. So this is hand. So this is your final product. So here we will learn about different types of features and all the things. Okay. So to create this, first we have to create this sketch on the front plane. Okay. So you can look into these what you called bold letters, sorry, bold words. So there it is the key information that they have. Okay. So you need to make a ellipse and with these dimensions. So file part. Okay. Go to the front plane, create a sketch. Here this is the ellipse. So select ellipse. Uh, so just draw ellipse. So we will add necessary dimensions. So you select this origin and this one. Selecting both make uh, horizontal. Okay. So now we can only move this in horizontal direction. Um, so then you can we have to fully define the sketch. Um, so you can draw a center line from here to here. So make it vertical. So now this is in vertical directions, and now we have to add the other dimensions. So click here, click this point, and do the. You have to give the dimension. So I have. So I need to change the document units actually first. So sorry for that. So go for. So we are selecting IPS. Select this 3 inches. This is also three di- three 3 digit precision. Click OK. Again, go to the sketch. Okay. So this is 4.5. So you select these two edges. Is I think 0.75. So from this point to this point, it is 1 inch. So we have create a fully defined sketch. So after creating this fully defined sketch, go to this revolve feature, revolve boss, and click OK. So we will do that. So go to features, revolve feature. So select center line. So select line. So this sketch need to have the center line. So otherwise we can't create the default feature. Go to features, default boss. So axis of revolution, this one, and line, click OK. So you will get this as your uh, hand wheel feature. So this is first one, and then what you have to do is again we have to add spokes. So to create the spokes, so we have to go to the front plane and draw a sketch again. Okay. Uh, so go to the front plane, go to sketch, and again draw a ellipse. Okay. So center line. So make this a horizontal one, and then we have to give 1 inch and so so this is 1 inch, and from this point to this point it is 0.6 inches. So then you have to go to the features, extrude base, and then here click up to next as the end condition, and click OK. So this is one spoke. So the next part is we have to create the so we have done that. Uh, so so the next part is we have to create axis. So for that we are using front plane and right plane intersection, and then we are applying a circular pattern. So we will do that. So the first one is, so you have to select, go to this reference geometry plane. Under the first reference, so select front plane, and under the second reference, select right plane. So here you can select the so so go to the reference geometry, click the axis, go to the front plane as first reference, and the right plane as the second reference, and click so two planes intersection, and click OK. So this is our axis one, and then go to this uh, so under this arrow. So if you click on this arrow, so you can get different types of patterns. So these are the different types of patterns. Mostly we are using linear patterns, circular patterns, and mirror patterns. So you can select a circular pattern. So under here, so you select the axis 1 as your revolution, and equal spacing. Select this box extrude. So here, mm, I think it is so. So you have to have five uh, five copies. Okay. So direction one and add a spoke. Select five. Uh, so I think it is mm, equal spacing. Okay, under the direction one. So you select five. Okay. So you can unhide this one, and then you have to draw a sketch on top view. Okay, so top view orientation, draw a circle. We have to have a center at the origin. So dimension is 2 inches, and you have to change it to isometric view. And select extrude boss command and mid plane. Okay, so to get this one, go to the go to this top plane, select a sketch and draw a circle of 2 inches. So here this is the case. So draw this one is for 2 inches. Then go to features, extrude boss 1.5 mid plane. Okay. So go to features, extrude boss, blind, mid plane. So 1.5. So you have to give on the mid plane. It is 1.5. Click OK. And so this is our second one. And finally, we have to create this sketch. Okay. So to create this sketch, so we have to do in 3 separate stages. So this is one. So you have to create a circle here and then draw in here. And this you have to draw like this. So we will draw that. So we will select this as our, again, I will do that. Okay. So select this face and select the sketch command. We are creating on this sketch on this surface. So draw a circle, go to a dimension tool. So this dimension tool, 1.25. Then draw a rectangle. So you draw a rectangle like this. Okay. So after creating a rectangle, so you can draw a center line from this point to this midpoint. So make this vertical relation. Now this is symmetric here. So you have to give a distance of 0.75 and 0.22. Okay. So dimensions like that. So from origin to this thing. Okay. So you can go to smart dimension, select this origin and this one, and this is set to 0.75. And then so this is this edge and this edge, it is 0.22. Then you can remove trim. So you can select this trim to closest. So you can remove this, remove this, remove this, remove this, and this one. This one. So we have created that sketch. So you can go to features, extrude cut. So you can go through all and click OK. So you will get the your cut. Okay. So this is the final output of the hand. Okay. So we will move to the next areas. Next practical.